There are people dying.
If you know the song, you can sing it. Everybody, let's present it. Grade 2 Amazon, Thailand. There you go. Grade 3 Facturan, Micronesia. Wave your flags. Hey, do you wish to go to that country? Sige, nagsugod nagpabook si Teacher Jill. Tickets are available for free. Round trip ticket to Bahamas. Grade 3 Duran, Bahamas. And our dear country, the Philippines, from grade 4 Lucere. And from grade 4 Bantingit, Germany. Wave your flags. Oh, that's Germany. And we also have grade 5 Mascado, Canada. Wow. Our dream country. Next, grade 5 Puntero, Norway. Oh, another dream country. Sige, papuk na mo na ang ticket, ha? While one, kailangan sugod pa rin, nagkuhan pa sa sadya po tayo. Grade 6, Kilikiti, Australia. Wala yung grade 6 assume? Okay, everybody wave your flags from kinder to grade 6. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, that is promoting peace, unity, and global partnership. And thank you very much. At this point, may I call the selected grade 5 pupils to entertain us with a dance number. Let's give them a round of applause.
Chinese, Arabic, French, Russian, and Spanish. That's all.
So, our theme for this year's United Nations celebration is promoting peace, unity, and global partnerships. So, nag-promote mo tag peace sa itong eskwelahan? Now, are we united? Nagkayuso ba taglanan sa kantini? Okay, very good. So, peace and unity, mag-start na siya sa atuang classroom o sa Panimalay po. Okay? Originally, there are 51 countries, members of the United Nations.